In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Walmart Capital One credit card. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to log in to your Walmart Capital One credit card, what you have to do is log into the Capital One account. If you log into that account, you'll be able to access all the Capital One credit cards from there. So what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now simply type in this link, verify.capitalone.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official login interface of Capital One. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is provide your username and password. Click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Now after you enter the username, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option, forgot username or password, and you'll be able to recover them. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen, and you'll be signed into the Capital One account. After you signed into the account, you'll be able to access Walmart Capital One credit card. So that is how you log in Walmart Capital One credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.